Philippines earthquake, gigantic 6.8 magnitude quake rocks Samar, tsunami update issued. The Philippines has been rocked by a gigantic 6.8 earthquake, which struck the Samar province. The US Geological Survey reported the depth was around 10 kilometers. The quake hit at around 8 a.m. local time. Details on any injuries or major building damage are not available. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center said in a statement, based on all available data, there is no tsunami threat from this earthquake. However, photos posted to Twitter by the Philippine Red Cross show some small buildings devastated by the quake. Other images show roofs and walls collapsed. The account said damages and aftershocks are expected. Twitter users quickly responded with reports of the quake, also pointing out the discrepancies in reports of magnitude, which range from 6.5 to 6.9. A strong earthquake felt here in Star Margarita, Samar. People are out now. Another said, earthquake in Masbate and Samar, Man and Ta let out steam. Please be safe. Take care. God bless. One said, felt this in Cebu City. It woke me up. The USGS has said there are a significant number of people living near areas at risk of earthquake liquefaction, which is defined as when loosely packed, waterlogged sediments at or near the ground surface lose their strength in response to strong ground shaking. It said, liquefaction occurring beneath buildings and other structures can cause major damage during earthquakes. Officials have put the magnitude even lower at 6.5 at an extremely low depth of just 1 kilometer. The quake narrowly avoided being 6.9, the highest magnitude a strong earthquake can get on the earthquake magnitude scale before it becomes classified as a major event, according to Michigan Tech University.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.